So we're in Fresno, California, getting ready to replace a shower valve. You can see at one point the tile was demoed back and things were worked on, and they're having trouble getting this to shut down completely, so we're going to replace the valve. We did want to take a video of this tub. You can see it's in various stages of disrepair. You got a chip here, some corroding there, whatnot. We are going to take a piece of plywood and put it on top of the tub, so while we're demoing, we don't cause any more damage to the tub that already is. You can see down here on the floor, you got a floor tile that's cracked, and I think that's the only one that I saw in here. So that is prior to us beginning. You can see water damage down on the sheetrock, down the tub, etc. So none of that's all. All we're going to do is we're going to try and cut out this existing white tile, not the colored, but the white tile, get in here, put a new valve in, try and get the shower head up here stubbed back out and capped off, and then they can have a tile guy come back and repair this. Outside of that, that's the inspection. We'll take another video when we're done. So we're all done here in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Moua 62300, I believe is the valve number. All it is a posi-temp valve with IPS, which is for iron pipe ports on all four sides. So we broke everything apart. You got a brand new nipple here, brand new 90, and then of course a brand new little tiny nipple right in between right there. Over here got a coupling, short nipple 90, another short nipple union, and then behind that another little shorty nipple. We reinstalled the existing riser. It's a little bit higher, just a little bit, not a lot, but it's closer to center now. You can see if you look, the old valve used to be way over here, so this one now is moved over a little bit. Anyway, so it's strapped to the wall. Got a brand new block up here. Couple of straps stubbed out. We've tested the water, hot, cold, everything's working fine right here. We've also checked in here to make sure that nothing's leaking. All these are dry right now. It is old iron pipe, so anything below here, you know, going down, that's not ours. And this 90 right there, that's not ours, of course. So that's our coupling and then going up. So everything is good. Outside of that, this installation is done. Okay, so one last little video. We did go ahead and put the plywood back on here. This is what we worked on the whole time that we were in here, and the reason why is, you know, it's already old, damaged. It's got some chips and some rusting in the tub, and we documented that before we began. But just so that we could, you know, work in here and not be standing in the tub or, you know, dropping tile. So we did all the demo with this in place. So nothing has touched the tub. We're going to leave it in place. You know, I know your tile guy is going to have to come in and pop out the very bottom row right there. We didn't want to get too far down and end up damaging the tub, so we'll let him take over from there. So you've got a drywall repair, tape texture paint, and then of course you've got tile repair. And you know, any tile guy can take care of this for you and get it back in there. You've got some corrosion, some wood rot going on there, so I'm not sure what it's going to do, but we did our part. Our part was plumbing, and that's all we do. We don't do anything else. So that's in, and again, like I say, we've tested it. We ran water through the tub spout, and we ran water through the shower head as well, and everything's working good. So we're going to leave it, and if you'd like a recommendation for a tile guy, I certainly can send you one. My tile guy is about a week and a half out right now. I've got another guy that I could refer to you as well. He might not be busy unless you've got one, or if you've got a handyman. Or I could actually refer you to a handyman. I've got a handyman that's pretty good. I've never actually hired him on any of my projects, but he's got great reviews. So anyways, we're all buttoned up here. Outside of that, this installation is done.